What do you do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. You're probably asking, why am I in the garage? Well, I am trying to clean it up right now because I did buy something. I might be financially done for buying it. What I did buy is gonna work out a lot for when I'm working on cars and stuff. So you gotta wait until we get that, and I'll probably do maybe a video putting it in here. But I am doing today a quick little $5 DIY because I have a desk. It's just old ass desk and it's kind of just dirty, and I'm just gonna make it look a little bit better so maybe you guys can use this at your house. It's $5, pretty easy. Let's go. So yeah, that was like my $5 little DIY, you can say. If you did like the video, please share it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.